Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to delete a bank account with no transactions. If you've added a bank account or credit card like this one by mistake, or if you have duplicates, this is how you can delete the bank account. So we need to go to Chart of Accounts under Accounting tab. Now we need to find the account that we need to delete. Simply select it and then click delete. The warning sign would say you have selected one account to be deleted. This account will be removed from any contacts using a default account. You say OK. Now the account has been deleted, and in the next video I will show you how to add a credit card account on Xero.